This video I will explain credit card is good or bad. Credit card is a small plastic or metal card that allows you to borrow money from the bank to make purchases. You must pay back the borrowed money later. Credit card can be good or bad depending on how you use them. What are the advantages of credit cards? First point is easy to use. You don't need to carry cash. You can pay quickly in stores or online. Second point is buy now, pay later. You can purchase something now and pay for it later. Third point is builds credit score. If you pay your bills on time, your credit score will improve, which helps you to get loans in the future. Fourth point is rewards and cashback. Many credit cards give discounts, cashback, or points for shopping, travel, and fuel. Next point is emergency help. Useful in emergencies when you don't have enough cash. Next point is safe transactions. Credit cards protect against fraud and offer security for online purchases. Next point is accepted worldwide. You can use the credit cards almost anywhere, even in different countries. What are the disadvantages of credit cards? First point is high interest rates. If you don't pay your bill on time, you have to pay extra money as interest, which can be very expensive. Second point is debt trap. Spending more than you can afford can lead to a lot of debt, making it hard to repay. Third point is late fees and charges. Missing payments lead to extra charges, which increases your debt. Next point is encourages overspending. Easy access to credit may make you to buy things you don't really need. Next point is affects credit score. If you don't pay on time, your credit score will go down, making it difficult to get loans later. Next point is hidden fees. Some credit cards have annual fees, transaction fees, or other hidden cost. What is the final verdict? Good or bad? Credit cards are good if you use them responsibly by paying your bills on time and not spending more than you can afford. Credit cards are bad if you overspend and don't pay your bills on time, which leads to high debt and financial stress. Use credit cards wisely to enjoy the benefits and avoid the risk.